everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to HANOI International Airport in HANOI, Vietnam.
Good morning, Hanoi. So local time it's 8 in the morning. So we just have landed here at Noi Bai International Airport. Is it cold?
Yes.
Yes, so cold. It's cold. Very. Yes. So dito na ang aming transport. There we go. Touchdown guys, dito na kami sa 3T Hotel. So this will be our home for the next 6 days. Hello. So guys, first food natin dito sa Hanoi, yung buncha. Dami ng serving guys, oh.
Dito serving.
Kailangan maingat ka lang guys kasi yung mga motor ang tutulin nila pag dumadaan. Sarap niya guys, ang sarap ng ano, yung meat. Although nandun siya sa ano, medyo sweet side, no? Dito na kami sa loob ng aming room. Hey boy, lamig dito guys. Sobrang lamig ngayon. And that's the view. Look at that. Look at the edge. Oh my god. Okay. Room tour tayo. Room tour. Okay, nandiyan rin ang ano, ng bathroom and toilet. So, pahinga muna kami, guys, no? Hi guys, we are here at ano pa ito, bro?
1 Kim Lake.
1 Kim Lake. So, we're gonna check it out. Ito siya guys sa loob ng old quarter. Alam mo guys yung flow ng traffic dito, wild dito. So mahihiya yung ano dito, Manila sa flow ng traffic. Come on. So kaya maganda mag-pick. So ito guys yung Hanoi City Tour. Ito yung open buses na ginagamit nila for Hanoi City Tour. Tatry namin tomorrow. Yun yung schedule namin tomorrow. What? Nauna na ako sa kanila. Pero pangit ng mga ano. Maganda yun, no? Oh. Guys, here tayo sa shoe store. Yeah. What?
Last na daw yun, yan.
38? The color? That's what you want? The black? What color do you want?
The black na.
So guys, ang dami dito. Oh. Pero ito yung tinitignan namin maganda. Pero, oh, sinupa. Stick, no? Jordan.
I just want to buy something.
Jordan. They have though. Oh, ha? Mga hoka, oh. Samba. Samba. Gazelle. Oh, Samba. How much the Samba?
Samba 500.
Huh?
500.
Not 3?
500.
Not 3?
Oh,
Not 300?
No.
Come on.
No. Last year.
350?
No.
3...
No.
Five,
450 not price.
450?
Yes.
400?
No.
So, yun guys, that's how you negotiate
a
dito.
decent.
Hi guys! We're with the team. Hi guys! Bye-bye. Thank you for the shoes.
Yeah,
Bye-bye. Ang sarap maglakad-lakad guys kasi ang lamig. So, hindi nakakapagod. And ang daming stores. Look at that. Ayan, no? Oh. So, very lively dito sa old quarter. Parang we have just checked mga ano pa lang, 3 to 4 streets pa lang, pero nakaka-amaze. Ayun, no? Ano ba na North Face, oh? So, dito kami sa Beer Street. Pinaka sikat na intersection dito sa Beer Street. So, is it good? Wow. So that's Miada. Sugar cane.
Chi, magra-rice ka ba? Hindi. Chi, magra-rice ka?
Hi guys. Hi vlog. Welcome to my guys. Dinner time, guys. No?
Actually, honest review.
I like the enoki. I like the enoki mushrooms. She likes the elote. It's enoki.
She likes the enoki mushroom.
What's your favorite?
Enoki mushrooms.
Yeah.
Baraka!
The beef?
Yes.
You like the butter?
Yeah, it's buttery. I like this too. It makes me eat a lot of rice.
Napa-rice daw siya, ha?
Hey guys, so busog tayo. Nakalabas na kami ng Beer Street. So that completes our first day here in Hanoi, Vietnam. Lamig guys. Sarap. So kita-kits tayo ulit tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.
Never sweat.
Bye-bye. It's hot. There's longganisa, no? What?
Parang ganyan sa na maanghang.
Mm.
Pero